So what is BlackMagic camera app? This is the new app and it's already climbing through the charts in the App Store. So here you can see this is the app. It's in top 10 apps right now in the US App Store for photo and video. It's pretty exciting. So what is that? So basically the idea is that it kind of unlocks the power of your iPhone by adding BlackMagic's digital film camera controls and images processing. Now you can create a cinematic look as Hollywood feature films. Of course, like kind of, I guess, but you get the same intuitive and user-friendly interface that BlackMagic designs award-winning cameras. You can adjust a lot of kind of advanced settings just on your iPhone, like frame rate, shutter angle, white balance, ISO, all in a single tap. You can record directly to BlackMagic Cloud in industry standard 10-bit Apple ProRes files up to 4K. So yeah, and there are a lot of features so this is a new trend, I would say, because especially with the latest iPhones like iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro, 15 Pro, and on, like the camera on iPhone is becoming quite good. Like, of course, it's far from professional cameras, but for making some videos it's becoming really good. And also there is this new USB-C port on iPhone 15 which makes it easier and faster to transfer a lot of footage, a lot of data from your iPhone to external device. Probably iPhone maybe will add some additional capabilities in the future where you can just film on iPhone and just keep the footage on some external storage instantly. That would be a nice feature. And therefore this is the new category of apps where you can really make some really amazing cameras and effects just on your iPhone without using professional camera. Of course it will take like literally all of your storage, like terabytes of storage, I guess, but it's just the start. So this is one of the first apps which just basically trying to turn your iPhone in like semi-professional cameras. So this is just like a start, but then you just see and explore it. So there are a lot of features. So you can see all the statuses. You can see lens. Lens let you select a lens for your shot. Cell phones often have rear lenses ranging from 13mm, 24 and 17 telephoto. So here you can select frame per second, shutter speed, which lets you adjust for varying light conditions or control the amount of motion. Time code, you can see that in top. Project name indicator, ISO adjusts the image sensor sensitivity to light. White balance tint, then there is resolution. Histogram helps to check exposure. The left side shows shadows and the far right shows highlights. Audio meters, record button, obviously. Storage indicator, upload indicator. When you upload into BlackMagic Cloud, the upload indicator displays the name of the clip as well the upload speed. So also with this app you can upgrade to their cloud storage, and I guess you can use that. Then there is Zebra, focus assist, grids, frame guides, safe area guides, false color, 3D LUT indicator, touch to focus, auto exposure, image stabilization, zoom control. So setup menus, you can just get started with this app, and then you have here like record to phone storage, record to into DaVinci Resolve, upload selected clips. Then there is a cloud. Let's just give a try to this app. So I just try to download it, and here it is. So just open it up, and then you can use it in vertical position. So here, okay, I'm just showing my sofa. So yeah, you can just show it like that. There are all these settings here. There is shutter controls. There is ISO settings, tint. So I don't know all of these things. I'm not like a professional video maker, but then also you can just turn it in the horizontal position, and this is where it kind of looks better. Like, and then you can just have all these features, and then just play around, like. So yeah, it really adds some, some nice elements. I guess, yeah, you just need to play with it. So here you just have, then for example, zoom. So it kind of looks like, yeah, more professional approach, and then you can just add some different filters. So yeah, and then you can also add some. So you just need to basically to play with it, I guess. So that's basically the process, and then you can just start recording, and this is how it looks like. And then, yeah, you can just see the recording, and then there are all these settings here where you can see codecs resolutions, timecode displays, like a lot of settings. So yeah, you don't need to create an account to get started, but there are a lot of settings. And yeah, I'm not like a professional video maker guy, but I'm just showing you like the possibilities here. So yeah, that's what it is. So give it a try. It's a pretty cool app. Then there is chat. Then there is like a projects chat where you can also collaborate with the team. So yeah, that's basically the idea of it. This is just like very quick preview. You can play with it, but just to keep you like in the loop, this is a cool app to try out if you like filming, but you don't wanna buy some like expensive cameras, especially if you bought like the latest iPhone, like 15 Pro or something like that, which a lot was of storage. And you're like, I don't want to buy another camera for like $2,000, $3,000 or more. It's like, I just want to make some few like clips, and newer iPhones can be quite enough for that. Like with the right setup and all of that, I guess, of course, for not like super professional footage, but for pretty nice films, you can already do that. And this is one of the apps you should try.